Ko matawhaura ko haumingi ngā maunga. Ko te roto I tikita ia I he ngā riki ia kahu te moana. Ko ngā tipiki ao te iwi ko te rangu nuora e tū nei, e karanga nei. And I was about 9 years old where I was tasked to put together a bracket for our kura for the end of the year. Kapahaka Christmas extravaganza, and so it was about there where I began tutoring kapahaka. My greatest inspiration was my papa, Te Kameta, Te Waka Toi Kameta, or most affectionately known as Koromeni, was that he gave the keys to the marae. And it was because of that act where myself and all my cousins were able to build, to grow our talent, to grow in the stories of our people here on our marae. When composing, a lot of it has to do with wairua and what we feel and how I feel when we choose a topic. Every time I'm doing a composition, making sure that the tune is fitting well with the words. And so these are some of the things that my mentors have helped me to understand over the years. The journey that one takes to a performance matters most of all, because it is in those journeys that you learn a lot of history. It is in those journeys that you learn about yourself, whakapapa, that you build relationships with your whānau, and with the people who come to find themselves as well. But those who have been in it for quite a while and a long time know that it is only the beginning of an end and the end to a beginning of something beautiful.